car enthusiasts, to a glimpse into the future of mobility. Today, we're exploring the Zeekr 09, a revolutionary electric MPV that redefines luxury and challenges our preconceptions of what a family vehicle can be. From its bold front grille and flowing lines to its distinctive Z taillights, the 09 exudes confidence and presence. It's not just a car, it's a statement piece, designed to turn heads and spark conversations. Sound of doors opening. Now, let's step inside and experience the true magic of the 09. The interior is a haven of comfort and luxury, bathed in premium materials and cutting-edge technology. Imagine yourself engulfed in plush Nappa leather seats, enjoying the panoramic sunroof that stretches across the entire cabin, and surrounded by soft ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. Spaciousness is undeniable, whether you're traveling with a large family or embarking on a business trip with colleagues. The 09 offers ample legroom, headroom, and storage space. Each passenger is treated to first-class comfort, with individual climate controls, charging ports, and even a built-in entertainment system. Sound of car driving. But the 09 is more than just a luxurious cocoon. It's a powerful machine built for performance, with its dual electric motors churning out over 536 horsepower. It offers exhilarating acceleration and a top speed that will leave most sports cars in the dust. Sound of car slowing down. But the technology doesn't stop there. The 09 is packed with cutting-edge features like semi-autonomous driving, voice control, and a facial recognition system that remembers your preferences. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know what you think about the Zeekr 09, and remember, stay tuned for more exciting car reviews and features.